What's up guys, welcome back to this channel, and for another parcel to be unboxed, we got this from Sir Francis Arafiles. So before we start, I would like to thank Sir Francis Olores for the favor and for facilitating the distribution of this item. So what we have here, these are die-cast truck and trailer at 1:50 scale. So these are pre-lab conditions and some of them are subject for restoration. May mga missing parts to guys, paint chips, and plate condition talaga to. Pero kaya ako kinuha to guys, these items are Conrad models. Okay, so for the first item, eto muna. Yung mga item na to guys, mga parts lang talaga to. And I'm fully aware kung ano yung mga condition nito guys. Alright, so itong first item natin, this is a 3-axle semi-truck in Trucknology livery. Re-restore na lang natin to guys. I think may mga missing part to, yung bumper niya. Pero andito pa naman yung mga gulong niya sa fifth wheel. Nakakita kasi tayo ng mga reference nito sa web. And tingin ko Conrad nga siya. So yun yung ano niya guys, markings niya. Conrad model nga to. Right, ito yung first one. Ito namang isa, parehas sila ng build ng casting. So tingin ko Conrad din yung model na to. This is a 3-axle Mercedes-Benz in Cobbler Expedition livery. Condition niya, missing din yung bumper niya. Tapos meron yata sa part para dito yung equipment tower. Andito pa naman yung fifth wheel niya. Kompleto pa naman yung mga gulong niya. Tapos bumper sa likod. May mga prints dito. Die-cast to. Tingin ko Conrad din to. Conrad meron kasing wheel steering. So aside from dyan, meron isang kasama to na 2-axle Seiko model. Meron akong gantong red. So this is Siku 3921. Ito wala talaga tong wheel steering. So aside from dyan guys, what really caught my attention is yung trailer. This is a special trailer category. This is the Chevrolet Noteboom module trailer. Alright, so ang missing talaga dito, yung cover niya dito guys. Dito sa flooring. Tapos yung bumper sa likod, saka isang part na bezel bed. Yung bezel bed, telescopic yon, which is yung purpose is to carry heavy loads. Hindi talaga ito yung truck head niya. As you can see, 3 axle lang to guys. Yung reference na nakikita natin sa web is a 4 axle or 8x2. Pero fit naman siya dito kasi Conrad din to. This one, adjustable yung position na itong 5th wheel. Naya-adjust siya. Fit yan dito kasi Conrad model din siya. So kahit wala yung bezel bed, usable pa rin naman tong trailer na to. So ito yung markings nito. Conrad logo. 3 parts tong trailer niya. Isang 4 axle, 3 axle, saka 2 axle. Tapos ito yung gooseneck niya. Wala siyang suspension, pero may wheel steering yung mga trailers niya. You can position kung anong desired position na gusto mo para sa display. So may isa pa pala ako nakitang issue dito. May kulang na isang rod, connecting rod para dito. Alright, so that's much of it guys. If you like more of this diecast product review, just follow my page. I have a TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube account. Subscribe guys for more. So I'll see you for the upcoming videos, and goodbye.
In the dark where shadows lie,